Hi, I'm Robert, one of the engineers at Elastic Path, and today we're excited to announce that it's now even easier to get started with Elastic Path by using our fully featured Next.js starter kit. Composable Frontend now provides a modern CLI for generating Next.js storefronts. It has never been simpler for developers to get started with our APIs. We call this Composable 2.0, and we just launched the developer preview today. To get started, we want to install the Composable CLI, so we're going to do that by running npm install global and the Composable CLI package. Now that we have Composable CLI installed, we can use EP login to authenticate ourselves with Elastic Path. We're going to use the US East region, and we're going to enter in our credentials for our account. And we've authenticated successfully. Once we've authenticated with Elastic Path, it's quick and easy to get generating our storefront by just running the EP generate command. This command is going to scaffold out a project for us and get us started. We're going to call it my project. And then we're going to be presented with a couple of configuration options. We want to know what we want to power our product listing page with. We've got a native option and an Algolia option here. We're going to go for Algolia. The CLI makes it so quick and easy to get started with these integrations. It gives us a front-end storefront that works out the box with them. We're now being asked about our payment gateway, so this is what methods do we want to use to power our checkout flow. We've got a simple option, which is just a native mock option to get us started quickly, or an Elastic Path Payments option. Elastic Path Payments is our payment service, our flexible payment service that's powered by Stripe. We're going to use that. Once we've entered our details, the storefront will start to generate, and it will also do all our automatic configuration for us. In this case, it will initialize Git in our repository. It will set up accounts for us. It will begin to configure our Algolia integration, including creation of the index and all the configuration that's required on the index. So it's doing a lot of work for us up front. And that's the CLI finished configuring everything for us. So we're now ready to get started with developing our storefront against our Elastic Path store. Looking at the project files that our CLI has scaffolded out for us, we can see that we're using the Next.js app router, and we have three core layouts. We have our auth layout, our checkout layout, and our store layout. Auth layouts give us the ability to log in and register users into the storefront straight away, thanks to the CLI having configured it for you already. The storefront layout has things like accounts pages where you can manage your orders and account info and addresses of your shoppers. We also have our product pages that have simple products, bundles, and variation products. Whichever PLP configuration you chose at the very start will be output into the storefront as well, so you can browse and view products on your product listing page. Having these pages and components in place by default makes it fast and easy for you to branch out and customize as needed. Composable Frontend 2.0 is currently in developer preview. There's a lot more to come, but we're releasing it right now so that we can get as much feedback as possible from you to make it the best tool it can be. Please sign up and let us know what you think.